So the Pixel 9 Pro Fold may be the one to change the minds of the Samsung Fold fans. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold comes with some additional features that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 does not have, and we now have the high resolution press windows of the 9 Pro Fold, indicating that the launch is near. The new Pixel 9 Pro Fold render shows the foldable in obsidian and porcelain colors. And unlike the original Pixel Fold, which had a wider aspect ratio, the successor boosts a regular foldable phone form factor with a taller cover screen and a large inner foldable screen. This form factor is ideal for most people who use their phone and are interested in upgrading to a foldable phone, and I wish I could have been one of them. Anyway, the feature I mentioned earlier that the Z Fold 6 does not have is satellite connectivity. Yes, Android Authority has found new clues in the 4th beta version of the Android 15, indicating that Google is officially developing support for satellite emergency calls for Android smartphones. The Google Pixel 9 series and 9 Pro Fold may be the first phones to have this Pixel Satellite SOS feature. Rumors suggest they will have a new Samsung Exynos 5400 modem for TNT satellite network. Satellite messages can be only sent through Google Messages, and usage is free for 2 years with a new Pixel purchase. Subscriptions may be required after the free period, as users will likely be accustomed to the feature by then. To run this all smooth, the foldable will be powered by the in-house Tensor G4 chipset. According to the leak, the Tensor G4 is configured with an 8-core setup, one Prime Cortex X4 core clocked at 3.1 GHz, 3 Cortex A720 cores at 2.6 GHz, and 4 Cortex A520 cores at 1.95 GHz. However, I still believe that if Google partnered with Qualcomm again for the Snapdragon chipset for the future Pixel phone, the real-world smartphone war will begin between Samsung, Google, and Apple, and we will have the opportunity to use some powerful and awesome devices in our hands. Moving on, the good news is that the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be launched in more countries than the Pixel Fold. The original Pixel Fold was only available in the US, the UK, Germany, and Japan. And now it looks like the Pixel 9 Pro Fold might be expanding its reach to 10 countries this time around. Even though Google is expanding into Asia, Europe, and North America, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold might not reach all 23 countries where Pixel phones are currently available. And these are the countries that Google is planning to ship the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So what do you think of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.